No, it's on. Look. Look.
Alright, man. It's your turn. I play first. Let's listen to the digger. Oh, man. This is so fun. Man, look at.
You like Gravedigger?
Yeah.
I like him too.
Hey, send to the digger. Hey. I've been named this is send to the digger. This is send to the digger.
Digger. Okay.
Hey, send to the digger.
Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
I'm flying right now over all this dirt. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Wait, I see some dogs. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Man. Come on, man.
79, oh sí. Everybody's fishing. You want to go fishing too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, make sure you tell me when we go to Target, okay? So I can buy your fishing pole.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
All right.
Man, look at this.
Come on.
Let's go to the hay. Send the digger, help me. I'm out of gas.
Oh, let me fill you out with my tail. All right, you pulled up.
Oh, look out. Send the digger, I'm out of gas. Ugh.
I filled you up already.
Yeah, but it was great. I just ran this over there and bang, bang, bang. And then you're out of gas.
Okay, come on.
Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. More normal.
Wait, let me jump with you. Come with you.
I parked. Right here. I parked
You
right
looking
here.
at the water?
Very deep. Daddy, look at.
Put it back. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Just look at the seagulls, man.
Come on. Let's go, buddy. Go around, Papa. Go around. Excuse me.
Then the digger help me.
Not here. It's dirty. The trash cans. Come on. Over here by this one's clean, more cleaner. This is more cleaner, Gio. There's trash there.
Huh?
There's a lot of trash.
Oh, help! Send the digger.
Let me clean this rock. You need help?
Yeah.
I don't have a toe. Let me see.
I'm out of gas.
Okay. Stay right there.
Take me to the mechanic.
I can't tow you. We need to get a tow.
I'm already on you.
Okay, come on. Oh, I can pick you up. Hold on.
Oh no!
Oh, oh, we both crashed.
Oh, I'm out of gas, Mom.
Oh man, come on. I got you with my tail.
Monty don't have toes.
Oh. Come on.
Okay, so you're out again. You're out again.
I'm gonna go down this hill.
Yeah, let's do it. I can do it. I want to let go.
Push mine. Come on. Cool.
Oh, I got the ball.
Don't go too far over there, Papa. You know, it's spiders is over there.
Oh. Man. I saw it. Megalodon, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Alright, let's go. Let me pull you out of here, okay?
Yeah, Gio.
Let's go.
He left Megalodon. Come on, Megalodon. That's a good little hike up this hill. Gio, it's muddy over there.
I'm looking.
Okay. See, it's muddy. This is their house.
Is their house?
Gio, it's muddy. Careful. You're just gonna sink in that mud and go all the way down like a hole.
He's just scratching his belly.
Huh?
He's just scratching his belly.
Yeah, he's scratching his belly.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, come on.
You saw that Megalodon?
I saw it. Did you see it?
Yep, I saw it. They're like. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
You gotta go.
That's what he said.
You gotta hurry, right?
It's okay. We still could go around.
Hey, Megalodon, come over here, man.
Let me try that gate.
Mine is clean, right?
Yeah.
Yours is dirty.
A little bit. It's all right.
Oh, let's use this.
No, leave it, leave it.
I thought you'll get out